everyone, happy Halloween month. I wanted to share with you an Amazon and Michael's haul. So my kitties will be making a couple of appearances. I grabbed this thick washi tape at Michael's. They have these huge bins in the front with wide washi, and I also grabbed out of the clearance section some finnabair metallic acrylic paints. Really pretty colors. There's a lime green, kind of an apricot color, and a nice cool blue. I also picked up the Mod Podge decoupage set. This is a brayer. I believe it's 4.5 inches wide, and then it comes with a squeegee scraping tool. So I thought that would be fun for some decoupage projects and also for the jelly plate. And that's my cat Maisie, just making off with the washi. Haven't seen it since. I also picked up a bunch of Tim Holtz Ideology Halloween goodies, so I was really excited about these. This is some of his tissue paper, and what's nice about this, when I took it out of the package, I think you could use it for a variety of products or projects. It's just a really pretty black lace background. Then I also got his Halloween stickers. These are called clippings, and there are 4 sheets, and they each just have a cool spooky little saying on them that I thought would be fun for either mixed media or even jewelry. And then I grabbed his paper stash for Halloween. This is an 8x8 set, and it actually only comes in 8x8. There isn't a 12x12 version. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through and show you. There are a couple of acetate pages. There are 2 sheets of each design, and they're double-sided, as you can see. And I'll just turn on some creepy music for you guys to listen to while I do a quick flip through. So this is a wood burning tool, and I thought this would be fun for stencil cutting. It has several different tips, including an X-Acto knife type tip. It's a heat tool, and I thought it would also be fun to carve some foam stamps with it. I've seen a couple of tutorials on that here on YouTube. And then I also grabbed something called Magic Stamp. These are nice thick foam pieces. There are 8 to this set, and you can actually heat this up with your heat tool and it will hold a shape until the next time you heat it. So you can either keep the shape forever or you can reheat it and make a new texture on it. And on the back side here it shows some directions and also some ideas for different textures. And then I also grabbed the Strathmore Visual Journal. This is actually the very first art journal I ever used, and I really like it. As you can see, it's 140-pound watercolor. It has a nice, thick, sturdy cover, and it has 22 sheets in it. There's my little cat's paw. That's Rhett. He wanted to make an appearance and show you guys some of the goodies I got. And then this was another Michael's purchase. I found this in the clearance section. This is a laser stencil, and Rhett is showing you that it's 8.5 by 9.5 inches. It comes with 2 stencils. You can see one design there, and then the second one is on the right. So pretty cool. I also grabbed the Cuttlebug magnetic platform, and this is for wafer thin dies, and it's to help you out in your die cutting machine, to help your dies sit in the right place on the paper or whatever you're cutting through, so that you don't have to tape it up so much with washi tape and pray that it goes through. I heard a lot of good things about these. There's a few different companies that make them, but they happen to have it at Michael's today, and there was a half-off coupon, so I grabbed it. And it is 8 by 6 inches. So I think that tool will make life a little easier. And then last but not least, I picked up some gesso. This is just plain white gesso, 32 ounces. It's the Handy Art brand, and I got this from Amazon. I figure you can never have too much gesso. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Rhett and I wish you a crafty day, and I'll see you next time. Take care.